Good morning, friends. Good morning, traders. Good morning, my students. Today, I want to analyze Euro USD. But before then, let me show you something we did last time on gold and what is happening on gold. Last time, we made an analysis on gold when the market is on this area. We spotted this triangle A, B, C, D, E, and we sold gold. We bought from here to here. We wait. One time with Elliott wave that we have patience. When we spotted the triangle, we sold from here. And from our analysis, we suggest that gold will do 5 swings pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we are waiting for what will happen here to know if this swing will still happen or not. Here holds the key. If the up move continues and breaks here, then we forget about selling gold and join buyers. But right now we are still expecting the down move. Let's go to 1 hour to show you what's happened, what we are looking for. Now 1 hour, we are watching this line. If it breaks and close above it, we have to join the buyers and watch what happens here. Then if not, if it bounces back, maybe towards the evening or Monday, we join sellers to sell towards 1800 anyway. So that's what we have, what I'm looking at on gold. So before then, let me tell you something that happened yesterday. Yesterday, when the price of gold was here, I suspected that this very move is wave B. This entire move is wave B. This is wave A, and wave B will be ended here. So I quickly told my subscribers to close their. If anybody is have a sale on gold, let him close it. You can see wave C seems to have just started towards 1905 to 1910. See, and I showed this chart to them yesterday. This is what I told them. If you have open sale on gold, I suggest that you close it. Wave B seems to have just developed. Wave C seems to have developed as running flat, and wave B seems to develop as running flat, and wave C just started towards 1910 to 1905. My humble view anyway. So I saw this move, and I quickly thought that it will go up, and it really went up. So if anybody that sold from here, at least we go out with some profit instead of losing. Because see, if you don't know the wave structure, when you see a sharp move, you presume that it will continue, not a must. If a sharp move completes a structure, it will reverse. But if a sharp move starts a structure, it will keep going. Here is a sharp move. It kept going because it started a new swing move. So you can join our Telegram channel. This is our channel. You can join us, Elliott Wave Plus High School. You learn a lot from us and trade with peace of mind. Now let's go to the business of the day. Today's business is Euro USD. I want to start from monthly chart so that you see everything that is happening on Euro USD. Monthly, 1 month. So this is a monthly chart on Euro USD. Let me remove all these things so that we see clearly. So in monthly chart, we have a complete structure: WXYXZ, WXYXZ, Z. It is a 5 swing movement, that is the complete structure. So whatever we are seeing here is a new development. Whatever that's happening here is a new development. So we will be looking what happens here. But since this is a monthly chart, we don't need to dwell here and waste much time. It gives us a clue. Monthly and weekly gives us a clue. We trade with 4 hours and 1 hour. Dailies also give us a clue. Now, what do we have here? This monthly and weekly time have been broken. It has been broken, but the way the price is reacting is not so so nice, so to say. But what do we need to mind? That this very move is an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this WXYXZ is a correction. WXYXZ is a correction, and it ended here. We can see that the market moved with force towards that very line. So I want to move the so that we can see what's happening here. This very move is a correction. It's corrected here and stopped and continue moving. So let's go to daily. On daily chart, we can see another 5 waves developing. 5 waves is developing. You can see 1, 2, 3. We are looking at 4, maybe here or somewhere here. So in this 3, we have another 5 waves inside the 3 waves. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside the 5 wave structure, we have another 5 waves. So what happened here? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3 developed as 5 waves. Wave 3 developed as 5 waves. But in overall, we are still expecting 1, 2, 3. We are expecting wave 4 somewhere here around this place. This wave 3. Wave 4 we have either ended here or we still come down. So wave 5 we end somewhere there. So that's it. Now let us go detail. Let us go in details. This is wave 1. This is wave 2. So wave 3 developed as 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside of wave 3. So now the question is, has wave 4 ended? Has wave 5 begun? That's the question. So let me show you why I'm asking this question. If wave 4 have ended, you can see we have a little below 0.23 fibro retracement, and price is moving up. So price might come up somewhere here and bounce back and come down to this place. You must still get the price down here before it comes, before it removes, before it keeps going up. But we keep watching how the price is developing. Let me go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, in 4 hours, we can see that this very move, this move is not from the start of, from here. The move does not suggest an impulse move anywhere. Though some impulse can be moving slowly, some can be fast. But what I'm trying to do in this very market is that I'll keep watching what happens here. This trend line has been broken, but the way it broke was not that really enough reason to trade, because it broke and it closes below it. It broke. We are wanting to see a retest and continue moving, but it broke and closed below it again. But this candle suggests a trend change. These two candles suggest that price will go up. But nevertheless, let's keep our eyes on this very top. If the market closes above here, I will consider buying. If market closes above here, that's something like, if something like this happens, if something like this happens, then I will continue buy, and my target will be here, because my target will be here, because we expect the price to come down, or we expect that here will be a major, here will be a major resistance. So if price breaks here, it suggests that we may not, that wave 4 might have ended. But to confirm that wave 4 have ended, we need to take away wave B, because this is wave A, B, and C. And this wave C might not have ended until the price closes above this blue line. If it doesn't, we might have ejection. Price may still come here and begin to come down. In that case, we might have a case of WXYXZ. That is, you might have a case of WXYXZ. That's what we saw on gold. I mean, what we expect to happen on gold might also happen on Euro USD. So keep your eyes here. If it breaks this line, retest it, buy. Mind, remember how to manage your money. If I will buy this very trade, my stop loss will be here, and I'll not use much. I will use a lower lot size to buy. I will only buy with big lot size when market closes above this place. So let's go to 1 hour. We might see something interesting on 1 hour. On 1 hour, we can see And 1 hour we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. We can see okay, in 1 hour we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-wave impulse, and in every 5 waves, we expect a 3-wave pullback. So what we have here, we are expecting ABC. Either we have gotten ABC or we are expecting ABC. This is A, B, and we're looking for C. Maybe either that C will still come down or it has ended here. If it has ended here, then it is what we call a running flat, and price will keep going. So if this might not be have taken away, it means C have ended. But the bigger picture, we are still expecting wave C down. So watch out for the break of this very place. And 1 hour, we assume wave C have ended because B have been taken away. But as long as this place holds, if it breaks above here and close above it, then we can buy. Then it will simply mean that this will move is wave A, and here is wave B, or wave 1, wave 2, 3, and so on. So keep your eyes on this very line. This very candle is very, very strong. But we have seen where we have a strong candle. Then the next candle reverse everything to 90%. It happens. So seeing a strong candle is not enough reason that we jump into the market. Wait for levels to close, other levels to open. So I will stop the recording here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our Telegram channel, share our videos with your friends, those who want to help. If you're interested in learning Elliott Wave, you DM the admin. Bear in mind, from my years of experience, I can say that Elliott Wave is the best approach to forex trading. Is the best approach to forex trading because it enables you to know what is happening in the market. Okay, this is our Telegram channel. Just type this, you join us. I will also put the description of this our channel, the details on the bio of this on the description of this very video on the YouTube channel. So remember to use stop loss. Trade according to the amount you have. Don't be greedy. You better make little profit every day, every week. With over time, you make a big money than trying to make all the money one day and blow your account. Many people run away from forex because they blow their account separately. Many say that the forex is a scam. Well, the only thing that they put along is to come to me and I will teach them. After 1 year, after 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, depending on how fast you can learn, you will now know that forex is not a scam. So be guided, don't be greedy. What kills traders is greed. Greed and fear is what kill traders. Greed and fear. If you can kill greed and fear, you will do much better in forex trading. So know when to enter market, know when to close is important. Okay, have a nice day. God bless you. I wish you many thousands of green pips as you trade. Thank you.